Jamaica is a big deal, and everything else is small fry and side order. Pod cover!
It is with great disappointment we share that the 2023 World Cup roster will not be participating in the upcoming October international window for the first ever Women's Gold Cup qualifiers. While this has been one of the hardest decisions we have had to make, we feel it is necessary to take such a drastic stance to put an end to the constant mistreatment we receive from the Jamaica Football Federation. As always, it is an honor and a privilege to represent Jamaica. It is our job to perform to the best of our ability and put all of our efforts into representing our country, making our fans, loved ones at home, and diaspora proud. Due to the current circumstances the Jamaica Football Federation has put us in, we would not be able to do our job. We have received information about our coaching staff, medical staff, and equipment staff in an untimely manner and through unprofessional communication. We have gotten confirmation of our head coach 3 days prior to our report date through social media, despite our efforts to have direct communication with the JFF. We have yet to receive full and correct payments for our historical performances at the World Cup and the numerous outstanding bonuses for qualifying in the summer of 2022. We have dealt with this lack of communication, poor organization, poor management, and delayed payments from the JFF time and time again. For these reasons, we take our stance in solidarity with hope to end this cycle of mistreatment. With love, your reggae girls.
The 2023/2024 season of the Jamaica Premier League, JPL, powered by returning partner Ray and Nephew White over Proof Rum, is set to kick off on Sunday with 6 highly anticipated encounters across several venues on the island. The reigning champions, Mount Pleasant FC, will launch their campaign as they face Portmore United at the Draxhall Sports Complex at 3:15 p.m. Preceding this encounter, debutantes Limehall Academy FC will take on Montego Bay United at 1:15 p.m. The Mount Pleasant vs Portmore United match promises to be a highlight, with both teams boasting impressive rosters. Mount Pleasant are set to introduce new signings, including Damari Deacon, Fitzroy Cummings, Dominican Troy Jules, and Marlon Allen. Portmore United, on the other hand, will feature firepower from players such as Emilio Rosso, Alex Marshall, and veteran Rudolph Austin. Elsewhere, Tivoli Gardens will host Waterhouse FC at the Edward Seaga Sports Complex at 3 p.m. In Clarendon, the home team, Humble Lion, will welcome the league's other debutante, Treasure Beach FC, at Effortville. On Monday, a televised doubleheader will take place. Moulins United, under coach Alex Thomas, will face off against Linval Dixon's Veer United at the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex, commencing at 5 p.m. Following that, the home side, Arnett Gardens, will entertain Dunbeholden at 7 p.m. Owen Hill, the CEO of the Professional Football Jamaica League, expressed optimism that the new season will further elevate the already exciting local football product, particularly with the return of longtime sponsor Ray and Nephew. Hill stated, "Our mission is to build a solid football industry with supporting ecosystems which involve building out our income, capital and grants. These are the key pillars that will help us to keep raising the bar." Dominic Bell, Brand Public Relations and Communications Manager, Ray and Nephew Limited, eagerly anticipates the new season to roll out the brand's extravagant plans. Both Ray and Nephew and the JPL share a common goal in elevating the league to allow the players to benefit from international level play. We are excited to inject our standard of excellence into the matches starting on Sunday, and we look forward to the spectators enjoying a world-class display of Jamaican football, Bell added. JPL schedule. Sunday, Limehall Academy vs Montego Bay United at Draxhall Sports Complex, 1:15 p.m. Mount Pleasant FC vs Portmore United at Draxhall Sports Complex, 3:15 p.m. Humble Lion vs Treasure Beach FC at